Hello friends, welcome to this course on NX. In this lecture, we will know how to create extrude of OpenSketch and some more options in extrude. So let's say I go to extrude here, go to sketch and I draw a sketch. So I select a rectangle, center rectangle. So this time I am taking this rectangle of any random dimensions and finish this sketch. Here we have specified a top direction to this. So this direction is going in the upward. Below this we can find the option of draft. Now inside this draft we can see it is showing none. Now we can also select this from start limit, from section. So I select the start limit. Now draft means basically it provides an angle. So right now the angle is 2 degree. So let's say I increase this value. So this is 5 and now we can see we have created a draft angle. So when I take this value 10, you can see in a much better way. So this time the draft is going inward direction. So when I increase this value, it will show a better view. So draft is going in the inward. And if we want to show this draft in the outward direction, we can select a negative value. So select the negative 15, press enter, and the draft is going in the outward direction. We can also create draft in two directions simultaneously. So right now we have created the extrude in one direction. So select draft none here. In the start limit, so let's say I select this value negative 25. So when I select the negative value, it is going to create the extrude from 25 in the downward direction. So we have negative 25 and positive 25 with respect to this reference sketch. And now go to this draft. We can select the symmetric or asymmetric draft. So let's say I select asymmetric draft. Now we can select front angle and back angle. So we have angle option multiple. So for the top angle we have defined the 15 degree. This back angle will specify the draft for the downward extrude. So let's say this is 10. Or I can say, let's say this is negative 10, press enter. Now we can see we have draft for two different extrudes. So I select none from here and then in this start limit, so let's say I start with this 0 and here we can see one more option that is called offset. Now to understand this offset, I click on this offset. We have two-sided, we have single-sided, two-sided and symmetric. So I will start with this two-sided. When I select this two-sided offset, it will create a thick feature. So when I select this none, it will create a complete solid. But sometimes we only want the thickness. So this time it will create a thickness when we will select the offset option. So I zoom in here, we can see the thickness value is right now 5 because the start value is 0 and end value is 5. So again we can play with these dimension values. Okay, we can also select the symmetric. It will create symmetric in both directions. 5 is outward and 5 is inward. We can also create the single-sided. So single-sided will only be created for a OpenSketch. After that we will learn how to create these extrude of OpenSketch. Okay, so I go to settings. In the settings we can see one more option that is called body type. We have solid and sheet. So solid, we know that it is a solid, so it is completely filled from inside. When I select the sheet option and the offset value I select none, it will create a sheet. Okay, so a sheet has a negligible thickness and click OK. So this time it will create a sheet. So generally this type of sheets are created when we work with sheet metal or surface modeling. So I click on this extrude, right click and delete. Till now we had created the extrude of a closed sketch. Now let's see what will happen when we create the extrude of an open sketch. Go to extrude, select a plane, select any plane, and then instead of rectangle, let's say I create a line. I specify a line like this. And then finish the sketch. Or I can create the continuous line like this, one more line. So I select end point, I draw 2 lines and click finish. When I have a open sketch, it will always create a sheet of this. It will not create the solid, it will create the sheet. Just all the settings are same, just like this. So we can see it has no thickness. We can specify the thickness in the offset option. This time I will select the offset. I can select two-sided or I can select symmetric. So again we can play with the value of this offset and we can provide it a thickness. I can take this arrow and drag it for the height. I click OK. So in this way we can use this thicken option.